ZBrush contains a large amount of brush settings to control your strokes. Let's cover some of the most essential and commonly used settings. Dynamic mode here is attached to your draw size slider. Double-click to toggle on and off. Dynamic will retain your brush size when zooming in and out of your model. This is useful for maintaining the size of your curved brushes and more. Once enabled, this setting applies to all your brushes. Control the depth of your curve and IMM brushes by opening the brush menu and expanding the depth settings. Grab and drag the depth icon here, or use the slider here to change how deep or high your curve or IMM brush is inserted at. This setting is applied to each brush individually. Open the stroke menu and expand the lazy mouse tab. Enabling lazy mouse will add a delay to your strokes, resulting in a much smoother stroke. Control the delay and smoothness of your stroke with the lazy radius slider here. The higher the value, the further you will need to stroke before your actual stroke begins. Apply a point to any of your move brushes by opening the brush menu and expanding the curve settings. Click to enable AccuCurve option. This will make your brushes a bit pointier, especially your move brushes. Repeat your last stroke by pressing the number 1 key on your keyboard. Repeat your last stroke in the position of your cursor by holding the Shift key and pressing the number 1 key on your keyboard. Turn your sculpted subtool into an insert mesh brush by opening the brush menu and expanding the create settings. Press the create insert mesh button, then select new on the following prompt, and you're all done. Click and drag to insert copies of your sculpt.